Dr. Murray's Protein Waffles. We used our unflavored protein powder and monk sweetener to achieve this recipe. Making the compote first, pour in your favorite berries. 1/2 cup of our monk sweetener. It pours just like regular sugar. Add in your citrus of choice. I use lemon. Pour into containers and cool. Compote lasts 2 weeks in the fridge. Next, we're making our protein mix. Start off blending 1/2 cup of oats in the blender for 30 seconds. Add in 1/2 cup of Dr. Murray's protein. I used unflavored, but you could also use our chocolate, vanilla, or pumpkin flavor. 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. 1 large egg. 1/2 cup kefir. You could also use yogurt. Pinch of salt. Blend it up till it looks like cake batter consistency. Oil up your iron. I used coconut oil. Waffles are ready. Let's put the cooled compote on top. Enjoy!